We gonna do something crazy ghetto. We don't have a grill, and we're gonna make a grill. And you're gonna use tongs, but I'm crazy, so. And this is number 6 episode, drumsticks and greens. You know what I'm saying? So I went to this spot called The Perch. It's in downtown LA, right? It's a rooftop bar. Yo, they had this salad that had this eggplant puree, but it was a warm salad. It was vegetables. It was dank. I found out how to make it because I just tried it. Okay? And that's what you gotta do. Try stuff. Okay? I wanna do these like honey mustard glazed ribs to go on top. So crazy. I'm gonna preheat our oven 500 degrees real quick. Okay? It was already on 500. I'm just faking it. It's already hot. Why am I still looking at it? It's on 500 degrees. Ribs. Pork ribs. I love that music. And pepper. Olive oil. Rub that salt and pepper mixture in those ribs. I'm in my closet. Listen, clothes and food are grandfather and grandmother. What just pinged? Iceman just texted me and said, we're making an extra 10,000 with auto pay. Iceman, what are you talking about, Iceman? This is a new episode of Drumsticks and Greens. So, let's bring this, turn that on, bring it to a boil. 4 cups of water. 1. Alright, 1 cup of soy sauce. Alright, now we're gonna cut up some fresh ginger. Leave the skin on. Cut ginger like that, okay? Bring that up to a boil. Alright, so we got this off to a boil. Oven is at 500 degrees. Now we're gonna pour in our soy sauce, water, and ginger mixture. Rack over on top. Right? We're gonna take our ribs. We're gonna place our ribs on a rack. Now, aluminum foil. We're gonna bake it. We're gonna leave this in for an hour and a half, 500 degrees. Wait, I don't like waiting for food. 500, okay? And bang, bow, bang. And I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss all of you. I want you to have a good roast, okay? May God bless you, keep you, and smile his face upon you. I was just looking at Busset challenges. The Busset challenge is the best challenge. You know why? Because you see Shorty when she wake up, and you know what? Congratulations to everybody that did the Busset challenge. Because at the end of the day, all y'all are beautiful. Like all y'all are bad. Okay, let's see what she got. Let's see what she got. Oh, so let's cook these vegetables. Chop up some carrots, and we're gonna cut them at an angle. We're making a salad, hot salad. That sounds gross. However, this is about to be the best hot salad you've ever tasted. Hey, cut green peppers. I like that. Boom. Okay. Broccoli? Do you like broccoli? Nigga, I like broccoli. I also like to do the stems of the broccoli. We're gonna cut those at an angle too. We don't want too many stems, you know what I'm saying? So, these heads in there. Tomatoes. We don't want the slimy stuff in it, right? Alright, now, cut, slice. We're gonna do something special for the potatoes because the potatoes have to be potatoes and it cannot be a vegetable. Because potatoes aren't vegetables. You know what potatoes are? Potatoes are godly. Okay? And they're so incredible that I gotta give it its own flavor. Feel me? It's gotta live in the potato world. So I'm thinking thyme, I'm thinking salt, pepper, I'm thinking flavor, more flavor than I would have in there. So I'm not gonna put the potatoes in there. And slice the potatoes down, down. Put these potatoes in a bowl. We're gonna season these potatoes right. So salt, pepper, herb, olive oil, for some thyme. I don't have time to do the thyme, and it just makes sense. Huh?
Taking all my goddamn time.
No, it's like, will you time the thyme right?
No, I'm kidding. You're doing amazing.
I'm doing amazing?
Yeah.
Alright, tight. Woo woo! Woo woo! Alright, cool. Rosemary. Let's do a little bit more. A little bit more. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Creole seasoning. We're gonna mix this up. It's gonna be mixed great. Let's put all this in the oven, baby. Now, have everything in here. Let's add some olive oil. We want to get, you know, nice and crispy. A nice roast on it. Add some salt. Add some pepper. Nice amount of pepper. My arms hurt again. I know, because I am crazy. And I'm gonna add some sugar onto this, and you'll see why later. Mix this around a bit. Get your hands crazy and mix it. We got the carrots in there. Everything is getting seasoned with that salt and pepper. Broccoli dropped again. Baking tray, olive oil. Run it around. Put our potatoes on the side. This goes inside of here. Gonna let it chill. Now, fire on. We're gonna make our glaze. It's gonna go on the vegetables. It's gonna just be crazy. We're gonna go it like this. All right, apple cider vinegar. About half a cup. We're gonna do some Dijon mustard. 3 tablespoons. If it's one thing, I'll tell you, honey mustard, you do so many stuff with it. Well, so much stuff, but like, y'all remember like the last episode, I was just like, Chick-fil-A sauce is honey mustard on crack. Chick-fil-A sauce, that's honey mustard on crack. Like, you can crack honey mustard. It can be a drug. And if you crystallize it, nigga, sniff that shit. When you eat like chicken fingers, nigga, and that shit will be like the best sauce ever. You don't even have to dip it, just sniff honey mustard, and it's crazy. And that's what's about to be on these ribs. Because crazy! It's gonna look like craziness. That's how it's gonna look. Booty call at 7:27 p.m. on this day. Yes. Okay. Alright. Okay. A cup of honey. I know what a cup is. That was probably like almost the whole thing. Why not do that? I should have measured. But I don't care because it's drumsticks and rings. And it's about to be popped, man. Anyway, nigga. Now, last but not least, salt, pepper. We're gonna let this sauce cook. We're gonna have it at like a medium-high temperature, okay? And the vinegar is gonna start to dissolve, and it's gonna come to like a syrup. It's gonna come to like some type of barbecue sauce, but not really. But my barbecue sauce. And last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit of sriracha. Don't.
It's being sassy.
Oh yeah, no, look at it.
Look at it.
Look at it.
Giving you lip?
Yep.
Giving you side eye?
Yep, it's not no sriracha. Boom. However, this don't want to turn on. It's not turning on. None of my burners turned on. Noah, my burner's not turning on. And then you was just like, oh, Scooby-Doo-Doo, because Scooby-Doo on the big and thinking on the dick and then the thing and on the thing. Yo, come over, yo. Yo, I'm wrapping this episode in like 20 minutes.
Okay, that's probably how long it takes me to get there.
Alright, motherfucker. Holla. Love you. Peace. And I'm going to add a bit of thyme. Let this cook for probably about 5 more minutes. Now, Pete, we gonna make this crazy eggplant puree. He couldn't have. We gonna do something crazy ghetto. Like, I don't even recommend you doing this. I recommend you just getting a grill. But we don't have a grill. And because we don't have a grill, we're gonna do something crazy. And we're gonna make a grill inside drumsticks and greens, bruh. So we're gonna do olive oil, salt, pepper. On the other side, do it. On the other side, rub it. On the other side, make sure that it. Let this cook for me. It's gonna be fine. Don't worry about it. Now, garlic. We're gonna roast some garlic now too. Olive oil, salt. I'm good. It's like a gnome, yo. It's like a, that's what it is, right? It's a garlic gnome. On. Down and let it roast. Also,
Like
let
drugs.
this. Noah, I'm cooking vegetable crack. Maria! Yo, Maria gave me this, and I just broke the other side of it. I don't know. And Maria, I love you. Help me out. So look, this is how the side of this eggplant is looking. Once it is, as you see, like this, we're gonna flip it over. And you're gonna use tongs, but I'm crazy. So we're gonna let that cook. We're gonna let it do its thing. Huh?
Gotta tell them what happened.
What happened?
Fire alarm?
Yeah, it went off. Yo, the fire alarm went off, bro. Like, that joint, I was just cooking it. Bang, bang, bang. Yo, like, why? Okay, safety. But I'm not doing it. I'm roasting stuff illegal. These should be roasted right now. Now, check. I roasted garlic. Look at that. Add it in here. Gonna add some salt. Pepper. Nice amount of pepper because we want this really smoky tasting. Olive oil. Some half and half. And also some crema. Let it mix for a minute. Like, it's really gotta be smooth. Honey in here because I want to balance those flavors out. Bang. Wow. Crazy, right?
Delicious.
It's crazy, right?
Delicious.
Alright, checking these vegetables. A little more salt. Woo! Now, take these ribs out, right? I want y'all to just look at how these ribs are looking right now. Bow, bang, bow, bang. Perfectly cooked. They are so moist. I can pull the bone out of these. You want to see? Check. Oh, what? Yo, so tender. Now, pan. It's hot as hell. Top first. See, they so tender, they falling apart. Boom. They so tender, they falling apart. Look at that. Wow, look at that bone. It just fell off. That's like the Nutty Professor when he ate that chicken wing. when he got that little leg off the motherfucker. Oh my gosh. Crazy. I'm crazy. We're crazy. You're all crazy. Now, glazing the ribs with that honey mustard. That's gonna be crazy. Oh my god. It's so tender, like Tinder. Anybody use Tinder? Like, people still use Tinder? I swear I used to be on Tinder, like, overseas. Because I was just like, yo, I don't know no chicks out here. I want to go to the movies. Nigga, Tinder, sit it on the side. Now, check it. Everything but the potatoes in here. Take our honey mustard sauce. Right now, we're gonna have a taste test. We're gonna have my nigga come take a little bite of it and see what is it. Wow. This is delicious.
Savory, and that eggplant gives it a little bit of a kick.
In there.
Delicious. Can't go wrong with drumsticks and greens, baby.
We making greens come true.